Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give a quick tutorial on installing the Threads app. Let's jump right in. In order for you to install the Threads app, go to Play Store and type Threads. From there, the first app that you see is written Threads and Instagram app. Click on that and click on Install. Scroll down and here you'll have an option of joining the beta. The beta version of any app gives you the opportunity to try the new features before they're officially released. So you can try them and give your feedback to the developer and tell them whether the new features that they're planning to make official is good or not. So if you want to join, you can click from here and join the beta version. Threads has been installed and there you have it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy threading!